you might be wondering what I'm doing on my Windows XP VM, and that's because DVD 1. Hopefully, there's not a lot. Oh, I hope this is gonna be allowing for x86 bit, but hopefully that works. Hopefully it's doing great, and yeah, it worked. Holy crap. I've read next full. These feature are 2 gigs. Alright, cool. 2. Ah, yes! Vista! Vista, you must. Cool. Alright. I'll see you when, like, the installation's finished, so. Peace. The installation is finished. Setup is complete. Let's just click finish. And I'm sure that is just it, and oh. No. And is that it? Plus plus. Oh, Microsoft, you're such a silly goosey goose. Alright, that out of the way, we can now officially start. Alright.